I'm talking about TorchServe OCI. It's a GitHub repo that describes how do you use this library called TorchServe. It's an open source project on the cloud, on the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. And this is a step-by-step guide. It tells you, if you don't have an Oracle Cloud account, how to create one. It's free. And we basically install various dependencies. Dependencies we need to use this tool called TorchServe. And in this example, I'm grabbing a sample code which is written by PyTorch engineers, and we're running the model on an image classification. And we use this library called TorchServe. And then what it does, we send it, we do a post request, and we send this image to localhost port 8080, and then it gives us the inference after it does the classification. So follow this guide, and there are more reference links here, and I have my code running on this cloud instance right here. So I hope that helps. If you have any question, you can reach me on GitHub or Twitter. Thank you very much.